Very good morning from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk European morning briefing for today, Tuesday the 25th of October. It's been another session with market participants keeping one eye on the pivotal Euro summit tomorrow. Just a couple of things worth of noting. We have seen some good earnings out of both Deutsche Bank and UBS today. Deutsche Bank beating quite significantly on their net, with UBS earnings not coming in as bad as many market participants were expecting following the rogue trader scandal earlier in the year. So those two have been the key banking performers in the sector breakdown today. Just worth of note, the oil and gas sector has been performing particularly well in the Eurozone after some really stellar earnings out of BP in London. Looking elsewhere, the market was driven by some market talk regarding a possible RRR rate cut in China. That's the reserve requirement ratio for banks, and that did give a market increase, especially to risk sentiment, with the equity markets gaining in quite considerable measure and now currently still sitting up in positive territory. The bunds, particularly in the fixed income space, have been under pressure today, and gilts also, as the UK DMO has been syndicating a 2062 index-linked gilt today for a rumoured of around 10 billion sterling on the book value. So that has been weighing on gilts. Looking then towards the Eurogroup summit tomorrow, the latest developments is in regard to the Greek haircut size, sources noting that the German Parliament is pushing towards 60% haircuts for Greek private sector write-downs, with banks willing to accept 40%, so a slight discrepancy there that needs to be resolved for tomorrow. And we have noting some comments from the French market regulator overnight saying that banks may accept 40 to 50% haircuts, but anything above 50% may put Italy in jeopardy. So we're keeping a close eye on any resolution for these decisions either today or leading into the summit tomorrow. Just worth of note for the summit, nothing is scheduled to take place before the European market close. So there is going to be a finance ministers meeting before then. However, the actual meeting itself and any comments emanating from there not expected till after the market close tomorrow. So keep an extra close eye out for anything leaked. Looking forward then in terms of the rest of the session, lots of earnings out of the US, the headline being UPS, the bellwether, and elsewhere we'll have consumer confidence out of the US alongside some housing data, no speakers scheduled. Later on in the session we will have a note auction out of the US, so just keep an eye on the futures prices in terms of fixed income. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.